Hey guys, it's Ian. Well, Megan, my partner, she's not in this video. So this video is about airplanes in my collection, my first collection. Okay, this is my first airplane that I got when I was 7 years old. It's Continental Airlines, but it's it's not Continental Airlines anymore. Can you see that? Okay. And then I got another one, but one with the first class.
I ate at Nana's house.
Okay. And then I got Alaskan Airlines. You see that? You know, the States. And that.
Right now.
And then I got Northwest Airlines.
Not this one.
You see that? Can you see that? Now, I got the helicopter. It's a touring helicopter. So yeah, it goes from island to island.
I thought you said you're trashing it.
And then I got an island plane, which is like from island to island too.
I bet you that you can hear me, so I'm not.
And then you can see this plane. It's not my own, but it's now mine. It's my dad's own from 1970, around the 1976 something, from GFK Guam. Well, he's born in the Philippines. And then I got this Pan American Airlines. Okay. And it's like an old plane that used to be nice, like airlines. And it's nice, cool, and yeah. So yeah, this is Panama Airlines. And this is the island plane. This is Northwest Airlines.
It's a scavenger hunt.
This is Alaskan Airlines. This is Continental Airlines, it's small. This is Continental Airlines, the big one.
Once upon a time.
And here's a helicopter.
Daddy said, "Oh, Dylan, where's the Pop-Tart?"
So thank you guys for watching my video. And take care. And visit me and somewhere. Goodbye.